It's important for parents of children on the autism spectrum to take their medical diagnosis to their local school district. Once done, a multi-factored evaluation, or MFE, will be done to see if your child qualifies for an individual education plan, or IEP. These meetings can be overwhelming for parents, but there are things we can do to get the most out of the experience. Malia Miller, an experienced guidance counselor, noticed parents sometimes come into meetings with a negative feeling.
A lot of times kids just slip through the cracks, and then all of a sudden they get here, and I just always feel like, okay, sometimes they come in and they're just so used to hearing negative things about their kids. They're either loaded for bear, you know, or you can just see, like, what bad thing are you going to tell me today? And that is not what it is about. And so we want to cut through that.
At the meetings, the school will make recommendations about how to best help you. But understand that school districts can be influenced by cost, personnel, and other factors. We need to be the top advocates for our kids. Besides, who knows your child's needs better than you?
I would go back to, as a parent, you know, what do you want for your child? What is your hope? What is your vision? What is your dream? And certainly not to be shy about bringing that to the table.
Great.
Because you are the expert.
Educate yourself. Learn about the different programs that are available, such as Applied Behavior Analysis, or ABA, Discrete Trial Training, DTT, or Picture Exchange Communications. Once you have an idea of the possibilities, list your goals that you want your kiddos to have. You know, put the goals in concrete terms. You know, for example, my son will raise his hand twice a week to answer a question without teacher prompting. You know, make them measurable. You know, this will help lead to accountability for you and your teacher. You could say, how many times did he do that? You know, when? What were the possibilities? And how can we go ahead and make this work a little bit better? Know there are many services that may be available to you through your school district, such as speech and language pathology, physical and occupational therapy, therapeutic recreation, social work services, and school health services. Inquire about these services and see if they may work for your child. Finally, take notes at your meeting. In some states, you can tape the meetings. Ask all the questions you have and understand that you have the right to sleep on it. You don't have to sign right away if you aren't quite sure. Use other parents and search for advice from medical professionals. You know, we're in this together. Laws are constantly changing, and meeting with school officials about your kids' education can be intimidating. There are plenty of resources and advocates out there. Relax, smile, and ask for help if you need it. For Autism Hangout, I'm Mark Wirbel.